Okay, hello everyone. How are you? So crypto enthusiasts and traders from all over the world. I'm Laura, and I'm super excited to see you there and at this familiar time in this live stream. So it's Friday afternoon, so let's start by saying hi in the chat. Tell me which city or which time zone you're in. And I'm curious to see which region has the most friends joining us today. Or maybe you can just leave an emoji, or that's all okay. And to make it easy for everyone, no matter where you are, and we'll have the full reply on YouTube and Twitter after the stream. So with English subtitles, so you can watch and learn anytime you want. So today's giveaway will happen near the end of the live stream. It's about 5,000 USD, a classic challenge account, and it's super easy to enter. Just leave any comment in the chat. Whatever, you can share your thoughts on the market or how your trading day went, etc., something like that, or even just drop an emoji. Like, right? So every single comment counts as an entry, so don't hesitate. Let your voice be heard. And before we dive in, I want to ask you all, how is your trading week been? Did you catch any big moves, or were there some charts that just gave you headaches or something? And share in the chat everything. And you can also ask questions and we'll check them out during the FAQ session. And all right, so let's take a look at the market, focusing on the Bitcoin and Ethereum. So as of the time I'm writing this, Bitcoin is down around like 97,000 USD, and Ethereum is at about 2,000 and to 3,213 USD. So the overall market mood is curious and with some pretty big swings in risk assets. And like on the macro side, Bitcoin has been affected recently by a stronger dollar, interest rate expectations, and like geopolitical stuff, something. And so the total market cap has pulled back noticeably. And according to TradingView, Bitcoin hit a weekly low of around 97,000, and roughly per billion is still around billion. And so that there's a lot of pressure. From a point of view, chart shows weak and choppy movements. So short-term moving average are converging around like 97,500 USD to 98,500 USD, and which is a key resistance zone, and the support is around like 96,500 USD and 95,000 USD. And MACD shows bears are in control. RSI is about 35, so it's learning bearish but not oversold, and short-term downside might be limited, but there is not enough monuments for a strong rebound either. And on-chain data from Glassnode shows short-term whale addresses are more active, and meaning big players might be watching or accumulating at these levels. And Bitcoin factor futures leverage is still high, and Binance saw nearly 40 million USD in daily liquidation. So leverage traders are still taking big risks. And As a as for Ethereum, and Ethereum drops about like 10% this week, so now around 3,230 USD, and slightly underperforming Bitcoin. And the Ethereum or the Bitcoin ratio is about 0.033. So Ethereum is a weaker relative to Bitcoin. It is obvious. And teacher-wise, Ethereum's daily chart shows a bear flag continuous pattern. So case support is 3,200 USD to 3,250 USD, and the resistance is 3,350 to 3,400 USD, and RSI is around 38, slightly bearish and not enough momentum for a strong bounce. And on the macro front, the US government shutdown is extant, and the non-farm payroll data is deleted. And the Fed keeps talking about a higher for longer interest rate path, and all putting pressure on risk assets. And global PMIs are weak. And ongoing US-China trade tension reinforced the bearish moods. And regulatory-wise, the EU and India are moving on stablecoin framework. It's also short-term positive. But the US CFT's stronger anti-fraud rule add uncertainty. So overall, short-term Bitcoin and Ethereum look like they will drift downward, and with cautious market statement and fear and the greed index is low. So investors are a bit shaky, and midterm opinion diverge. So some see this as a healthy pullback that could bounce if regulations clarify or the Fed eases. So otherwise, the bear market might continue. And I don't know. So let's talk about what makes a trader qualified. We often see stories of traders making huge profits, hitting bounces, and winning awards. But the real key isn't just making money; it's the mindset, it's skill, and habits. So psychology is huge. You've got to control emotion and not let market ups and down decade years action, and studies from CME Group show successful traders have strong self-control and low emotional swings, and accept losses as part of trading and don't treat them as failure. And even when losing, good traders sticks or like to their system and keep learning, keep adapting to market changes to grow steadily. And also the skills and habits matter too. Why is that? Because a qualified trader has their own structure and rules, clear entry, stop loss, and target points. They know risk management, controlling position size, avoiding reckless addition, and like IG Group says, risk management is what separates top trader from average ones, and qualified trader can adjust strategies, flexibility, instead of sticking to old methods. So the biggest difference with beginners is the beginning chase rises and panic on drops. They get overconfident on wins, collapse on losses, and qualified traders stick to their process, review and improve, and always asking, am I doing the right thing? And the bottom line, Trading success comes from the combo of psychology and systems and discipline. If your goal is being a professional trader, making money is just a bonus. You have to understand. And so, let me talk about Findtrader, like our platform. I know some of you might be thinking, do I really need Findtrader? What is in it for me? So here's the deal. Let me talk to you. Findtrader's main thing is providing virtual funds. Like you trade with simulated money, but in a real market environment, so you can practice your trading skills and improve your risk management. You don't need a huge personal account. So just a small one-time fee to enter the evolution, and you can trade big positions to test your strategies. And the best part, what is the best part, is once you pass the evolution, you get a funding account from Findtrader, and that's a real money. Quick, that's a real money. And you can trade for profits and share the profit losses, and you don't cover them yourself. That's For beginners, this setup has huge benefits, and you can test your strategies or start learning trading from scratch. And then the most important thing is the Fine Trader simulated account uses real time data from real exchange, including price movements. And it's unlike other companies with discounted demo accounts. Here, your strategy actually gets tested in real conditions, and you get to train your trading skills in the same environment professionals operate in. So the evolution account also has strict risk rules, and like daily max loss or dynamic drawdown limits, this teaches you how to manage positions, how to protect profits, and really understanding that money is a limited resource. So trading in this high pressure but safe environment shows that you blind spots fast, and it teaches psychological and operational skills that are hard to get in a personal accounts. And for example, mm, like how to stay systematic even after losing streak. And data shows that traders who pass the evaluation significantly improve their psychology and fund management in the first 3 to 6 months. And trading with a simulated account lets you try bigger position and more strategies, but the risk is controlled. Findtrader also offers multiple account levels from small to bigger one, so you can pick what suits you, what suits your level, and what suits your goal. And once you pass the evaluation, you get to fund it and a long term. This is a measurable, sustainable growth as the platform has a community tutorials and videos where you can see other trader strategies and the market views and risk management methods, etc. Everything you want there. And this helps correct mistakes quickly, teach industry standards trading practices. So in short, Findtrader lets you grow safely and systematically in real market environments, and you can trade bigger without risking your own money. And you learn discipline and risk control under rules, and the very skills that makes long-term profitable possible. And the exercise, psychologist training, and the data you get. And that's something you can't get trading alone. Honestly, for anyone serious about trading as a career, Findtrader is a super efficient accelerator. So, all right, that's the market analysis for trader growth part. And now for the part you will all left affect your time and ask anything in the chats. Our team will watch closely. If there are too many questions or you want to detail the help, you can submit a one-on-one support ticket and open ticket, and we will answer individual or cover it in the next stream. So, so the first FAQ question is about about is it about evolution account paid or is it expensive? Okay, so there is a one-time fee for the evolution, so it's the cost to get qualified and compared to risking your own large funds. It's a low-cost way to practice in a real market environment. The next one, but I'm a complete beginner. What if I mess up and I lose money? You don't have to worry. The evaluation account user virtual funds for practice, and so you own money isn't at risk. Losing is part of learning. You will just get familiar with the rules and for the workflow. So the third is the evaluation hard? I'm worried I won't pass. So the goal is a learning and growth and not failing you. Rules clear and targets are set. Just take it slow and treat it as a safe practice environment. So just take it easy. Don't so nervous. And next, what if I fail the evaluation? Will I lose money? No. You only pay the evaluation fee, no extra loss. If you don't pass, you gain experience and process knowledge, much safer than trading your own funds. And can beginners take it slow in evaluation? Will it be stressful competing with others? Okay, it's totally fine. The evaluation is for individual practice and no need to compare with anyone. Just follow the rules and build your own confidence. That's it. And the next is I don't know any strategies or indicators. Can I still join? Yes, you can. Just the evaluation account is meant for learning and start with basic rules and gradually add strategies and community and tutorial are there to guide you. You don't have to worry anything. Just take it slow, take it easy, and don't be so nervous. I'm worried that evaluation is strict. I will panic. So don't worry, there's a risk control like daily maximums and a total drawdown limit to protect you. You can practice safely without freaking out over a single loss. For the evaluation, does it affect my real money? Not at all. Evaluation funds are for practice and you money is safe only after passing get a account with real money. You can make and share the gains. The next one is after the evaluation, do I really get a funded account? Yes, passing the evaluation gives you funded account is no potential. But the evaluation is just prove your skill and risk management. So you will can I get help during the evaluation? Absolutely. Ask questions or like submit one-on-one support ticket. Just open ticket and what training on. Everyone learns together safely and confidently. Okay, finally, it's time for like everyone's been waiting for giveaway. So today's prize is a 5,000 profit farm classic challenge account. That's right, you get a chance to trade your funds, and it's super simple to enter. Just leave one comment in the chat. Everything is okay. Just maybe one emoji is also okay, and every comment is an entry. So the draw is about to start. Who will be today's lucky winner? Okay, so congratulations for our users from YouTube. Uh, don't forget to take a screenshot and congratulations again. All right, friends, that's it for today. Thank you for joining. I hope you stay calm and trade smart in the market, and the proof firm trading helps you grow faster into a professional trader. Okay, this is our live stream. See you next week at Saturday. Bye bye.